The cheapest thing you will ever do as a California landlord or tenant is write something down at the moment it happens, instead of trying to remember it later. Today it is the California Repair and Deduct Letter. A repair and deduct letter is the tenant's written notice that something affecting the habitability of the unit is still not fixed, naming the defect, the date it was first reported, and what the tenant intends to do next. Repair and deduct is one of the few self-help remedies a tenant has, and it lives or dies on the paper trail you built before you used it. Without that letter, a tenant who arranges the work and subtracts the cost from the rent can find themselves defending an eviction instead of getting a repair. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by California law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for California, and the page walks you through the California rules that apply to it. Fill it in on the page, press generate, and you get a clean, dated PDF you can print, sign, or email in about a minute. No account, no watermark, no charge. Like, subscribe, and come and take the actual form. It is waiting for you at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Free, no account needed.